Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Halloween or some autumn decor. So you're going to take some cardboard, some construction paper, or if you don't have construction paper, you can use like butcher paper. You know, the paper you use when you do like the bulletin boards and stuff. Or just construction paper works fine. You're also going to need some scissors and like a glue gun. You're going to need some like pool noodles. You can use any color you want, but right now I'm just using black. And what you're gonna do is cover the cardboard onto the paper, and you're gonna glue the pool noodles onto the cardboard. I started this off camera. I didn't want it to take so long. I'm just gonna hush and I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing. I'm a part of my son's school, like the PTA board, so we do a lot of things for the children. You know, we try to create fun experiences for them, and safe experiences for them. So right now we were just getting ready for our fall festival, and it passed already, but this video is late. I was supposed to put this out, but you know, life be lifing, y'all. Life be lifing. Right now I'm just taking some glue. You gotta be really careful because it does melt and it is hot, so please be careful. You're just gonna glue the pool noodles onto the cardboard, and you're gonna put some glue around the top and basically make it look like wax drippings. So I'm gonna hush and let you guys watch what I do. I just want to say one more thing. Make sure that when you're gluing the pool noodle down, that you're really making sure that it's like really on there good, because the pool noodle will melt, you know, because of the heat. So make sure you're like really reinforcing it. Also, make sure that you're cutting the pool noodle. You don't want them to be the same height, if that makes sense.
Oh, and okay.
Yeah.
I said she's doing all this with the glue.
Thank you.
Look, you can leave that in. She's the goat. The goat. Yeah. Think about that's the only.
She's funny. That's just some of the people that's a part of my village. You know, we're there for each other. We're like a little family. It's a whole bunch of us. But yeah, thank you so much, girl. That's actually the creator of ASOM. So be sure to check out her Instagram and her website. I'll link that down below as well. I'm sure by this point you guys get the picture. So what I'm gonna do is like add some skeletons and like some flowers, and then add some lights to it. This is before I added the lights in it, but this is pretty much it. This is the first one. I'm going to show you guys the second one. This is the second one. I hope you guys like it. I didn't put the lights in yet, but I will show you that soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to love more and judge less. I appreciate you.